Welcome back. Today, we'll be learning about the new Dahua DeepHub Education Series ST470, packed with multiple features for education, remote conferences, and team collaboration. Let's check it out. The DeepHub ST470 Series now supports BYOD with its Type-C interface. No more fuss with multiple wires and adapters. Its removable camera provides easy online collaboration and built-in privacy with its manual privacy shutter. DeepHub Board is a tool that enables people to collaborate online in real time. It provides various templates and tools like sticky notes, voting, images, videos, and drawings to facilitate brainstorming, organizing, and discussions among users. With the AI Assistant, generate inspiring mind maps, flowcharts, and PowerPoint presentations to expedite your brainstorming process and aid in creating professional content. The DeepHub Canvas is an education software with rich online teaching resources and an extensive library of 3D objects, videos, simulations, and images for science, mathematics, language, and more. Bring your ideas to life with the Magic Pen feature, which can generate online images or videos based on what is drawn on the canvas. Overall, the Dahua DeepHub Education Series ST470 brings collaborative workspaces and classrooms to the next level. With cutting-edge features, it helps promote productivity, creativity, and innovation. For more information about our products, you can visit the links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.